Most Honorable Prime Minister, Professor Irene Shepherd, who to feed the sheep, brothers and sisters, one love. The Bible's Jeremiah 31 said, 22nd verse, the woman shall compass the man. That is the fulfillment of the Bible. The woman compass the man. Now, the reparation for slavery is the way out for we to have any meaningful economic growth. Before Mr. Manley, Norman Manley, Premier of Jamaica, sent a mission to Africa, 1961, he wrote to the Right Honorable Harold Macmillan, Prime Minister of England, informing him that he's sending a mission to Africa recommended by this university, and if the Africans agreed to take back their ancestors who are people, we then the people. Then what financial would he give for such a program? And MacLeod, the colonial secretary, sent a letter to the government of Jamaica the day saying his government would pay for the resettlement of African descent who desire to return. 1948, it was passed in a debate in the House, Jamaica House of Parliament, that Britain would pay for repatriation to Africa. That is 1948. Those documents are in the House of Parliament right now. So I am asking the Prime Minister, please, to set up the reparation committee that we can put together a blueprint to represent to England as a roadmap. One love.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Brother Fillmore Alvaranga. I see coming to the podium and Brother Sam Clayton, another of our pioneers. He just want to say a few words to Madam Portia. So please quickly, Brother Sam Clayton. You know it can't be long. Madam Portia, this is indicative of how important your presence is, and we need to engage in a more comfortable atmosphere with more time to dialogue. Brother Sam Clayton, please do it quickly for us.
I'm Alex saying, how would you do?
How would it do?
Yeah. Wow. What can I say?
Anything.
The Prime Minister said so much good words of inspiration. I don't need to say it. She has said so much I do appreciate the Prime Minister, not just from this speech, but from all her time in office. She knows my vibes where she's concerned. Yes, I do appreciate the Prime Minister and her great spirit. You know, I have something here I would like to present to her.
Mr. Herb?
Yes. 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 Yes.
Brother Sam Clayton, this time to thank brothers and sisters, Brother Sam Clayton. Thank you. While we have the 7 miles of Black Star Liner coming in the harbor, we invite the one and only Fred Locks to come and just give you a nice taste, because that will usher in the final words from Dr. Julius Garvey. We understand that the Prime Minister will have to go. She has another important engagement, but she says she wants to hear the Black Star Line to usher in Dr. Garvey, who will leave on another engagement with her. So, we're ready there.